everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at JOHN Howerton Honda in Beckley.
Make a great choice today with the 2017 LaCrosse. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, center console with lighting, power windows, one-touch windows, 4-door courtesy lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with JOHN Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at JOHN Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey John.
Hey Pete, I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I gotta go. I want my cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.